Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I'm here to talk to you guys again about what if. I told you guys this was going to move. It's been performing absolutely amazing for a low cap coin, and I think there is plenty more gas in the tank, and this thing is definitely on its way to the moon. So let's dig into this. So we can check out what if right now on Solana. Look, we called this at a 10K market cap in my VIP Telegram chat. Okay, it ran up to a 130K market cap today. That is a full 13x. That is $100 to $1,300. Okay, insane gains. Great ways to make profit on these low cap coins. Now you can definitely see some people took some profits, and it has kind of retraced, and it dropped back down here to 49K, and it's on its way back up. Right now it's still up 105% in the last 24 hours. This is insane, and it's still sitting at a 61K market cap. That is a full 6x above where we called it at a 10K market cap. That is 5x pure profit and gains. Okay, that is $100, and you profited $500 as of right now. And I'm telling you right now, there is so much more room to go on this. I'm telling you, I really feel this is going to go into the millions of dollars in market cap. This is going to follow suit. It's going to follow the what if on the Robinhood chain. Now, I've been following this one as well, guys. This is sitting at a $4.5 million market cap. The what if on the Robinhood chain is absolutely going parabolic as well. Crazy volume, $1.7 million in volume in the last 24 hours. If you look at this, insane. And I'm telling you right now, the overall thing that you need to look at and that you need to think about is that in the grand scheme of things, Robinhood chain is a new chain. There's a lot of hype around it. But if you think about it, Solana is a bigger ecosystem. There's more users. It's basically a lot of times the markets will move to a hot new topic or a hot new chain, but they always come back to Solana. And like I said, this is why I'm so bullish on this what if on Solana, because if you think about things, like some of the other big coins out there, the ones that have actually skyrocketed in the past, they did really well. Like Troll, for example, they had a post over here, which I really, really liked. And I wanted to show you, I just want to show you this post again. Where was it? I saw it yesterday. I was looking at it, and I wanted to just show you this comparison of Troll versus what if and where we're at. Right here, this is what I wanted to show you. So look at this. So the Troll originally launched on Ethereum, and it pumped and it went crazy. But right now, Troll on Ethereum is only a $1.5 million market cap. And if you look at the Troll that launched after the Ethereum Troll, is at a $43 million market cap. Let that sink in. Okay, so this is why I'm looking at Robinhood chain versus Solana. Yes, right now the Robinhood chain is doing quite well. It's like a $5 million market cap, give or take. And we have the, what if on the Solana right now, that's at a 60K market cap. But I truly believe when the liquidity, when the bullishness and the market moves back into Solana and the real bull cycle takes off and the meme season really kicks off, I could see what if on the Solana chain absolutely kicking butt. So don't sleep on this one. I really think it has potential. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, but I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in and why I'm investing in it, because I see the potential in what if. What if this goes to a $10 million market cap? What if this goes crazy? Like I said, right now, this needs to get to a $6.1 million market cap to 100x your money. That is totally in the realm of possibilities. Okay, 100x is an amazing gain. 100x is where you can take literally, $100 to $10,000, $1,000 to $100,000. This is the potential, what I'm seeing in a coin like what if here on Solana, because the narrative is great. And I really think it has a massive, massive upside potential. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't sleep on this. And make sure that you follow me for these low cap plays. Like I said, we're looking for low cap gems right now because low cap coins are what moves. And some of these low cap coins, just like what if, move into mid cap coins. And that's where you're going to make those insane gains. Because like I said, we called this at a 10K market cap. Now, for this to 100x, from 10K, it only needed to get to $1 million. to 100x your money. If you could have gotten in, held, or taken profits and kept a free moon bag, you could literally have the potential to 100x your money when this gets to a $1 million market cap from 10K. So don't sleep on these coins. Don't sleep on these low cap plays. Of course, some of them perform better than others. Some of them have better narratives, but you have to play the game. And we're making great calls over there on low cap coins inside of my VIP Telegram chat. So if you're interested in that, check out the Patreon link in the description below. We would love to have you over there. And like I said, low cap coins, 10K market cap coins, they move fast. They're very volatile. They'll move up fast, they move down fast, but you have to be diligent. You have to take profits. And once you've taken those profits, you're sitting on a free moon bag. And that is when you can make those insane gains, because you keep that moon bag for that 100x or that 500x or that 1000x. And that is where you're going to make insane money, insane gains. So everybody, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment. You can also follow us on X or our free Telegram chat. No risk, all reward. We would love to have you over there. All right, everybody, have a great day. Make sure you pick up some what if on Solana, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.